Hey, this is Art, and I would like to welcome you to the 5-day challenge. Now, this is day one. I'm super excited to see you here. I hope that you are excited too. Well, my goal for this 5-day challenge for you is for you to start making $100 per day. But with that being said, we have to go step by step. So I know that a lot of you guys are not making money online yet. You don't really know what kind of a formula or what kind of a system you might use. Maybe you've tried a bunch of different formulas and systems as they didn't work. Maybe you've tried a bunch of different formulas and systems and they didn't work. Maybe you saw some results but you couldn't really duplicate it. So the goal is for you to start making $100 per day and then being able to replicate this every single day. But again, with that being said, we're gonna start small. So I just want to take you on a journey, and I'm actually going to show you exactly how I started my online business and then how I build it up to 7 figures, because I've sold 7 figures worth of products online. But with that being said, again, you won't be selling 7 figures 5 days from now. You have to start small, and that's why I'm going to show you exactly how I started and then how I was scaling things up, how I was growing things, and how you can do the same literally in minutes per day. Okay, so if at any point you're gonna think I don't want to do this, or this is not for me, or maybe I want to do different things, just keep in mind this is just the starting point. So this is something that we're gonna start doing, we're gonna build on it, and if you will understand how to do it, you can outsource it, you can hire someone to do it, you can teach other people how to do it and charge money for it. You can create courses or different systems or even softwares about it. So keep in mind, I just want to start small and then keep on building on it, and eventually you're gonna make $100 per day and much more, because obviously with online income the potential is limitless. So if you don't know how I got started, I was a bartender for many years, like 12 or 13 years, and I started making money online in my spare time. So I just wanted to make like an extra $500 or $600 per month just to help to pay the bills. But when I started making money, I didn't realize the power of it. Okay, so once you're gonna figure out how to make $100 or like $300 a month, then it's easy to scale it up, because you just have to do more of the same. So this is exactly what happened to me. I figured out how to make $300 per month, then I scaled it up to $600, $900, $1,500, eventually to $3,000 per month, and at that time I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and start making money online full-time. And this is my goal for you. Okay, so again, start small and just keep on building until you can quit your 9-to-5 job, or maybe you can start doing this full-time and make 7 figures in sales, just like me. Okay, because I can't really teach you about the things that I don't know. I'm going to show you exactly what I did, how I did it, and how you can do the same. And also keep in mind, this can be done in literally 10 to 15 minutes per day. And again, you can outsource it, you can hire other people to do it, you can teach other people how to do it, you can do a bunch of different things. You just need this initial knowledge. Okay, so what I did is I started selling simple services on Fiverr, and keep in mind, I didn't really have any experience, any tech skills. Like, I wasn't a graphic designer, I was not a programmer. So the only services I was able to sell were super simple services, but still I was able to make up to $100 per day, which is very cool with what I'm going to show you. Okay, so you will be able to do exactly the same thing. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's just go through it. And even before we're gonna jump into what you're gonna be doing, let me just show you just one of my Fiverr accounts. On this account I made $10,000, and this is an account that I was using for writing gigs. Okay, so I was writing emails for people, writing articles, writing blog posts, testimonials, or all kinds of different things. Obviously you can do the same, you can do a bunch of different things, because on Fiverr you will be able to do a bunch of things in a bunch of different niches. Okay, so what I want you to do is go to fiverr.com right now and just go through all of the categories. Okay, so the task for you for day one is this one right here. So your task for day one is exactly this. Go to fiverr.com, go through all of the categories and just think what kind of gig you could be delivering. Okay, so maybe you have a skill like graphic and design, maybe you have some like music skills, you can record audios, or doing voiceover, or maybe you have some business skills, or maybe you have some programming skills, etc. So if you have a skill, you have a head start. If you don't have any skills, just think about what you would enjoy. Okay, so for example, in the beginning I didn't have any design skills, but I knew that I liked design. I liked designing different banners from templates, like YouTube thumbnails or posters, etc. So even though I didn't have any design skills, I knew that I could do this just using templates from other people. Okay, so go to Fiverr, go through all of these categories, go through all of the gigs, and just think what type of a gig you could be delivering. Okay, so obviously we have the graphic and design category. We have logo design, game design, brochure design, poster design, flyers, books, web and mobile design, 3D models, t-shirts, banners. So keep in mind, in most of these you can go to sites like Canva or Snappa and just use templates and just charge people for doing this. Okay, so you don't have to use Photoshop, you don't have to use any fancy graphic design software. You can for the most part use templates that are free. Okay, so we have the graphic and design category, we have the digital marketing. So if you know anything about like social media marketing or SEO or video marketing or email marketing or any of these, then just think about a gig that you could be delivering for people. And with all these gigs, keep in mind, you don't want to be delivering gigs that will take you like an hour or 2 hours to deliver. You need something super simple that you can deliver in 5 minutes or less. Okay, then we have writing and translation. So obviously this is what I already mentioned to you. We have articles and blog posts, email copy, business names, website content, translation if you speak a couple different languages, sales copy, press releases, etc. So, and keep in mind, like with email copy or like with sales copy, you can use templates as well. So you don't have to be a professional writer or anything. Then we have video and animation, whiteboard and animated explainer. So maybe you own a piece of software that creates this kind of explainers or short video ads or logo animation or intros and outros. There are a bunch of different sites that allow you to create free intros, game trailers, spokesperson's videos. So maybe you can even film yourself. And actually people are charging hundreds of dollars for this kind of gigs. Okay, then we have music and audio. So again, voiceover, this is something anyone can do. All you need is a microphone. Then we have singer-songwriters, jingles. If you're into music, then there's a bunch of different ways you can make money on Fiverr. Programming and tech, obviously for this one you will need some skills, but in some cases people will pay just to help them with like some WordPress issues or some like user testing or e-commerce. So if you have any skills in this area, then you can make a ton of money as well. Business, this is more like in general knowledge. So you got the data entry, you have virtual assistant, business tips, presentations, career advice. So check it out as well. And then lifestyle, these are the silly gigs that you can deliver, even if you just want to dress up as a pirate or as a banana and film yourself like singing happy birthday. You can still do it, you can still make money. So this is the viral videos categories or celebrity impersonators. You also have like health and nutrition, relationship advice, online lessons, so a bunch of different things. So this is your task for day one. Okay, go to fiverr.com, go through all of the categories, just check out all the gigs, mainly in the category that you think that you might be able to deliver a simple service to other people in. Check out specific gigs, like like I found this guy is delivering a YouTube thumbnail. So this is something that I absolutely do. I'm using free templates again from canva.com and snappa.com. So this is something that I can easily do, but this is me, totally up to you. You can do YouTube thumbnails, you can do a bunch of different things. So go to fiverr.com, go through all of the categories, check out a gig that you think that you can mirror or copy, and then we're gonna see what else is there to be done in day two. But this is your task for day one. And again, keep in mind, if you think I don't want to be doing this a year from now or 5 years from now, keep in mind this is just a starting point. So if you're gonna just create one successful gig, there's a bunch of different things that you can do from that. Again, you can hire someone and just keep it 100% passive. You know, someone else does the work, you're cashing in. You can create a course about how you're making money on Fiverr and make tens of thousands of dollars. You can even create a piece of software maybe that will help people with their Fiverr deliveries, etc. So, you know, this is just a starting point. From something small, you can create a wealth beyond your imagination. Okay, so just stick with this program, and the end of the 5th day I will have a surprise for you as well. So this is your task for day 1, and I will see you on day 2. Ciao. And a super simple update or a reminder, the 5-day challenge will be held inside of my Art of Marketing Academy Facebook group. Okay, so if you are inside the group already, if you have any questions or if you want me to answer anything, just comment on the post with the daily challenge. Okay, so this will be the first post that you will see every single day, and I will also do a Facebook live video every single day answering your questions. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave a comment under the daily challenge video. If you are on YouTube, please go to the Facebook group to ask questions. If you received a ManyChat message or an email, again, please go to the Facebook group, please leave me your questions, please leave me your comments, because I will be doing a Facebook Live every single day answering your questions and making sure that you are still in the loop, that all of your questions are answered, and I'm just here for you and I will help you out with anything you need. So again, you should already have the link to my Art of Marketing Academy Facebook group. If you don't, just do a quick Facebook search and you should be seeing this group right here. Ask me questions, I will answer during the daily Facebook lives, and can't wait to hear your questions. All right, peace out.